Hello, today I will show you how to transfer files via SSH between MacBook Pro M1 to Windows 11 Professional on virtual machine using UTM. Sorry for my Polish version, but everything will be the same, and except for language, of course. Okay, so we need to edit our virtual machine network. Okay, so here is our network, and we have to here mark bridge network, and we need to mark also this thing, and here we should sustain default, this one, and we need to save this. Okay, and now we'll just start our virtual machine. Okay, when we have our virtual machine open, here what we need to do, we need to check our IP. Okay, so this is our IP address here, and what we need to do, we need to check our network connection and our network settings. Here we have to mark if we have public network, we need to change to the private network, and the best thing to do is to change the firewall. And here for the quick demonstration I just off the firewall, and what we need to do now is we need to open PowerShell as an administrator, and here I will just paste this command, and we need to install SSH.Server, and I have already installed this. And after the installation of SSH, we need to start service. And, what is also a good thing to do is just set service to be automatic when the system start up, because after restart it won't be enabled, so we just set this thing up. Okay, and after that we just close everything and we restart our virtual machine. What is also important is to have password to our Windows virtual machine. I already have one, but if you do not have, just put your password, and because when logging to SSH it's important to put password. And now what we need to do is open our terminal on MacBook, and we need to transfer our file from MacBook Pro, and we use this command to transfer via SSH to our Windows machine. And here we need to put our path to our file, and I will do it once again to show you. This is our IP address of the virtual machine, so we need to copy address and we need to paste it here. Okay, space here, and we need to put the path on our Windows machine when we want to save this file. It will be desktop in my situation. Okay, I think everything is correct. Oh, I have to also add txt format because it's txt file. Sorry, it was a mistake earlier, and because it should be different name of this file because I didn't add the extension, and this is the correct way. And when we click enter, we need to put our password to the virtual Windows machine user. That's why I said that it's important to put on password. Yeah, and after that our file is, as you can see, on the Windows machine. And yeah, and what's important, if it won't work, we can check if we can ping our virtual machine. No, I forgot the IP, so I will check again. If we can ping, it should be alright if we made all those steps. Okay, thank you for listening, and bye.